In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a storage unit in CS2. So start by launching the game, then you want to press on store, then you want to go to the tools category right here, and then the first option right here will be a storage unit. And then you simply want to press on it, and then you will see the price down here in the bottom right corner in your currency. And then you simply want to press on it. You want to make sure that you have enough money on your account, and then you want to go down to the bottom and press on authorize right here. And then once you bought it, you will get this screen. And then you simply want to go to your inventory right here. You want to sort it by newest, and it should appear right here. And then to use it, you simply want to press on it and press on start using this unit. Then you want to give it a name, and I will just call this one cases. And then you want to go to the right and press on this checkbox right here, and then press on personalize. And then you just want to press on continue. After that, you're ready to use it, and then you simply want to left click on it, and then you can either choose retrieve or deposit items. And to put something in it, you want to put on the deposit items, and then you simply want to select something that you want to put inside, and then press on proceed. Just like that. And let's say that you want to get something out of the storage unit, then you simply want to press on retrieve, select item, and then press proceed. And the items will be in your inventory again. And that's how to buy and use a storage unit in CS2. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to help me out as well.